Hey everyone. Well, it's Easter weekend, and what we're gonna do is plant some stuff in my elevated beds here. So today I'm going to do some Swiss chard, some spinach, and some dwarf kale. So I do have 3 of these elevated beds if you've watched any of my videos. So what I'm trying this year over previous years is I soaked my seeds. Usually I just plant the seeds right in and then hope the birds or no critter takes them. So also what I did, instead of doing trenches, I'm doing just holes to kind of give it a little bit more room to grow, because if I do rows and then I don't thin it out enough, it gets really kind of squished together. So with Swiss chard can grow all year round. Like, well, no, I wouldn't say all year round, but it can grow with your whole harvest season, and without replanting it. So you want to give it some space. So same with some of my spinach. They're big leaves. Now the problem with spinach too, as soon as it gets warm, it bolts quickly. So right now, being spring, it's a nice time to plant it and hopefully get some harvest there before it gets too warm. So let me unwrap some of these seeds and then we'll start planting. All right, you can see it's still a little damp, but just from taking it out of the water. So these are my rainbow Swiss chard. So what I did is, since this is about 2 feet by 3 feet, this bed, I did it 4 inch apart each direction, and I just kind of used a 2x4 to kind of line it up both directions. So I am getting 7 rows across and 4 rows deep. So I'll be able to, I'm going to plant a couple seeds in each one, 2 or 3 in each one, and then I can always thin them out later on. So just put them in the holes here. I'm going to try to put like 3 in each one. I don't know if you can see that because it's kind of shady in here. Now I'm going to do, since I got 7 rows here, I'm going to do 3 rows. 3 rows of Swiss chard, and then I'll do 4 rows of spinach. Okay, so there's the 3 rows. I got a couple extras. I'll just throw an extra one in each one, just in case some don't germinate. You take a chance. All right, here's my spinach seeds. And do the same thing. Now I can leave some extra because for that bed too. So I'm going to do just these 2 beds right now. And then my 3rd bed, I'm going to put my normal lettuce seeds in. All right, so all the seeds are done. Now I'm just going to cover it, nice layer of dirt, and then I'm going to water them. Okay, so I lightly covered it. You don't need these seeds to be too deep, so I just lightly covered it. Now I'm going to water them. And then we'll keep you updated on when they start germinating. And then we'll work on the next bed here, and there we go. So happy Easter, everyone.